apprentice at a bike. I moved to Luxembourg 8 years ago. And I remember on like my second day here, I went on a bike ride just to get the lay of the land and figure out where things are. Somehow, I ended up here in the Péitruss Valley. And I remember thinking, what is this place? I mean, here was this lush, beautiful canyon with these big sandstone cliffs right in the middle of a European capital city. It blew my mind. Soon enough, the Péitruss Valley became sort of my second home. I was always here riding my bike or running through here or just exploring every nook and cranny in the Péitruss. And believe me, the Péitruss Valley has a lot of nooks and crannies. Now, as you might be aware, the Péitruss Valley is undergoing a bit of a makeover. The Ville de Luxembourg is in the midst of a major ecological restoration project to restore the river to more of its natural state. Very basically, what they're going to do, the river's narrow concrete bed and embankment, which was built at the 1930s, is being dismantled to allow the river to flow more naturally. To flow more slowly, too, so that organisms and fish and plants and such can actually grow and inhabit the area. And the whole riverbed is going to be raised 1.5 meters. And raising the riverbed, it slows the flow a lot. So the river's going to flow out that way. And then to keep it from flooding onto the road over there, they're building up that wall. And there's other facets of the project as well. Like down there, that's below the viaduct bridge. That's where they're building a pavilion. It's going to have a grassy lawn picnic area and steps leading down to the river. There's also going to be a playground and an outdoor fitness area. Now way down there is where they're doing some archaeological work. As you know, Luxembourg is built on layer upon layer of history. And until recently, this was a parking lot, but now they're uncovering remnants of an ancient cemetery and church. Wow, spring is springing. I hope you enjoyed this glimpse of the Péitruss restoration project. For more information, just visit that information container box down there with the touch screens. You can learn a whole bunch of stuff. Thank you for joining me. Addy ciao. Tip top.